You hear the sleigh bells ring-a-ling, ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for us, stay right together with you. Outside the snow is falling and our friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for us, stay right together with you. For us, stay right together with you. You.
Hey guys, fresh out of today, making us get ready. So yeah, one step out now to go pick up like the things that we would need to complete decoration, because I think we want to run this off today, so we can get fully immersed in the Christmas spirit.
Exactly.
Are you excited to go outside?
Yeah, I am. The weather is shitty, but yeah, we just need to get out there and get a few things, come back and then complete our setup. That's the plan.
So yeah, we'll be carrying you guys along as well. I think we've decided the theme we want to go for around the apartment. So yeah, we're going to shop based on that theme. So yeah, let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
You guys, we just got to Arndale. I want to stop at H&M first to see what they have there. Right?
That's the plan.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah,
Tell me why this man is picking up candle. That's not on our budget and not on our plan. They're just looking at it. Going to spice this candle.
Smells very flowery. Yeah, it has a nice
Scent.
scent for the room.
We didn't see a lot here.
Nah.
We saw like placemats, but nah.
doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Guys, we've gotten bread and bowls, but the people are rose gold now to just spice it up.
That's the idea. So, do you like this one?
Yeah, I think we'll just take this one back and then what do you think this one?
This is the second time we've seen it now. It's catchy, right?
Caught our eyes.
Has that Christmas vibe. But we like the notes though.
Yeah.
So we'll get that one. Good?
You guys, we're back home now. Honestly, I didn't realize that this was going to take all day. But let me just show you guys what we bought. We bought this wrapping sheet. Courtesy Precious. He picked up all the wrapping sheet he needs as the center of the house. And then we got this throw for the couch. What else? Yeah, we went back to next. I'm sure you already saw, to get the candle. So this will be for our dining table. And then we also picked up where's that diffuser? I threw it somewhere. Oh yeah, I threw it in my handbag. We picked up this diffuser as well. This will also be for the dining table. And we got this coaster for when we want to have dinner. And then tea towels. We use this to put like in the oven as like mini decoration. Sorry, I sound tired because I am tired. Honestly, yeah, Precious got ribbons for his wrapping sheets. Then we got ribbons for the tree as well. Cute. So we started for gold white-ish for the tree. So we got this too, and then we got like bigger ones as well. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Got this one and then this one as well. So excited for the tree. And yeah, the final thing we got was placemats for dinner. We plan to have like proper Christmas dinner and I'm so excited. Are you excited? So yeah, that is it. We're going to rest today and we'll continue decorating another day. We need to order a few things online. So once everything comes, we'll continue decorating. We might continue decorating tomorrow before everything comes. But yeah, that's our plan. So yeah, excited. Look at Precious. He has been hiding in here. I don't know what he's wrapping.
I'm trying to figure out how to do this bow. But this one was not long enough then.
Shit.
But we're
My husband is so cute. Look at his boo watching wrapping videos. You're doing so well.
I'll do my thing now. Now you've come in to invade my privacy. Is that how marriage is? There's no secret.
Is that why you told me to stay in the sitting room since? Is that why you told me to stay in the sitting room since?
Eventually, you still come to meet me now.
So, what's in there?
Or you find out on 25th. That's the funny part. Do you know that's the good part about knowing that there's something? And do you know I was rushing to wrap this game because the way you've been all over the place.
I always clean the house. What do you mean?
That's it. My mind is rest assured now this thing has been wrapped. You can go back now. I'm coming to join you.
Okay.
I'm coming to join you so that we can put up the tree decoration.
Alright.
Here I am.
You guys, the weather is so shitty today.
What do they call it? Is this storm waiting?
You didn't name it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know. Decided to just stay indoors. Like, we even tried stepping outside because we want to pick up. Like, we have 2 more things to buy, right?
Yeah.
But honestly, the storm is just ridiculous. So, Precious is so eager for us to get this done. He went to the room to hide and wrap a present, and he wants us to just get it done. And when we're done, we'll see what else we need to buy. I think we'll decide that it's just the 3 skirts that we need, and that's it. So yeah, we're getting right into business. So yeah.
That's the idea.
Free time.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay, so
I feel like let's first pick up every other thing.
okay.
I like that one way it is.
Yeah.
I mean all the other non-red ones.
Okay.
Let's pick them up first. This gold one too is pretty rusty.
Okay. So all the non-red ones open. Okay. Non-red ones are off. Because I thought it's most people that don't want to spend money. They back up their tree.
They don't put anything.
Because nobody actually sees the back of your tree.
Yeah.
That's
We
right.
might not even have to go all the parts that are too tight.
It's just that now we have
A lot.
so
Yeah.
regardless.
That is not what I want to sell. In my bed, the lights are so beautiful. Funny enough, I think all the lights are the same size. Apart from the tiny ones. I'm never sure I like the tiny ones, they're too small.
Yes, you just probably need to fill up some little spaces. So what's the idea?
Let's try to be doing dangling. Like for instance now, I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. Here, not this, I don't know. Let's just try and put in, let's just be like alternating. Red, gold, up and down, up and down.
So now, see, if I start from a base, like here now.
Or should we alternate red first, all through?
And then see where to fit in. Yes, it's just anywhere we put red, let's keep space. Knowing that gold is there. Should it go inside? Right, to be rebalanced. Now with these 3, we're getting still, it will be a tree before it was a tra.
I mean like when I say alternate, now you put one here, put on the next level.
Oh, okay, that's what you mean. Okay. So at the beginning, Experience is the best teacher. So yeah, now.
But you must not be on the same line, like, you get my point. Just
Okay,
wait.
just for you to be having that
So the things are so
timing. This is what there's a way. Just figuring it out for me. Running around Christmas tree. Here I am here now, singing.
wow. Come on, the musician.
Can we marry?
Marry where?
You're spoiling my rhymes. This is our Christmas tree. We're still working on it, but we're getting there.
Yeah, I feel like what we've done so far looks good. What do you guys think? We went for like raw red and a touch of gold. We just need to get like the tree topper. We have 2 tree toppers. We want to get a different type this year, and then we'll get the skirt and wrap these other boxes, which was already wrapped, one of the gifts. And then the plan is to like put more gifts there.
And when we were arranging the tree, do you know some of the glitters from the tree touched the gift wrappings? It now glitters. It looks so fine.
Yeah,
I plan on
nice.
doing other ones like this because I like the way it looks. So that's the idea. That's the theme.
What do you guys think? I feel like we did good with this. The theme looks nice.
We're not even done yet, but we like where we're at the moment.
And we brought out our Christmas tree. We have 2, but one is in the bedroom. When we're done arranging it everywhere, later tomorrow or so, we'll show you guys the entire apartment.
That's the plan. That's the plan.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Yes.
to my queen.
With your silly song. With your silly Christmas song.
Are they
Which
silly?
that song I sing?
I'm composing them for you.
For who?
For you, baby. Don't you like them? When we marry with a song.
So I decided to come to Range to look for some items I'm looking for to complete like our Christmas decoration. I'm seeing a lot of options here, so wish me luck that I find everything I'm looking for. I'll just walk around and then hopefully find the things I'm looking for. So this is what I'm working with. There are a lot of options and they have like a lot of items I've been searching for, so yeah. Just look at this. I'm thinking I'm getting this for dinner on Christmas Day. Not sure. The white one looks nice too, but I like this one more. It's more classier. You guys got our apartment. Hi, champ. Hi.
Hi, Daddy Santa. Just keeping it real.
Where's your outfit? Where's your Santa outfit?
I've not worn it, but I'll soon get in the mood.
Okay. This one wears his Zara cardigan to sleep at home. Just imagine.
Yeah, it's a cardigan. And I'm cold.
Alright.
I'll soon start wearing my Christmas like cardigans and PJs and things like that, just to get in the spirit of Christmas. The house is now having that Christmas
feel. Yeah. I didn't see any of the things I was looking for in Range, so we just decided to. Oh, it's not on. Just decided to just leave it as it is right now. It's quite cute.
Yeah.
Simple yet beautiful.
Love
And I love this red theme this year. All thanks to that one there.
Daddy Santa.
And look at our dining table. We just kept it simple. We've turned on the candle. There's like a diffuser there in the kitchen. Just that, and obviously that one up there. What is called? Garland, right? Yeah, I think so. And then this one by the door. It's showing this way now because the lights are on, but you don't try open the lights. Let's see how it looks.
Okay.
Let me just show you. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere.
So someone hates staying in darkness. And for the master bedroom, we just kept it simple, honestly. That's the only Christmas thing in the bedroom. You guys decided to come outside, and it's freaking cold.
It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
I want to come out and explore what's happening in the city and also eat local food.
That's correct.
Because we're always hungry. Well, to be fair, we've not eaten all day, so.
It's cold.
And it's like 2.
Be cold in your belly.
So yeah, time to eat. Excited. Food is here. Food day updates.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to dive in.
Okay, my own meal. Precious always copies me. I got beef in mine, but Precious got chicken in his.
But it's spicy though. Just as I like it and hot.
We got spicy and then garlic sauce. As exciting times.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
You guys, we came back home to more parcels, and then Precious refusing to go into the parcel room. He went in there to grab things himself, only for him to come out with like 2 big boxes, and he has wrapped 4 extra gifts plus the one he wrapped early this morning. And I have no idea what he's wrapping, and he's telling me, oh, it's just random boxes. Who buys random boxes?
She keeps monitoring my movements.
Oh, my random
How is
boxes.
it supposed to be a surprise if she knows what I got? Exactly. So, but these are boxes.
Just random boxes. Guys, like, I know you guys see, but like, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes.
It's Christmas.
And today is just December 10th. And he expects me to just chill to December 25th.
Just 15 more days. Just 15 more days. 15 more days. Exactly. You've lived for how many days in a year? There are 365 days in a year.
Yeah.
And so far, I believe if today is 10th of December, then it should be 365 minus 15 to make 365, right? So you've lived for how long? 350 days. I think my math is good.
Yeah. Except that you're forgetting 5 days before December ends.
Come on now. Come on. Yeah, so do the math. The math is mathing. Exactly. So there are 365 days, but before you get to see the gift, it will be when? 5 days before the end of the year.
Yeah.
So that then makes it just, what's it called now? 10 days before. Oh, well.
Technically.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, that's what it is, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So we're still just in the spirit of Christmas, getting things in place, just having that feeling. The house now looks all Christmas.
Christmassy.
Yes, so that's what this is all about.
wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You